Guys,
Yeah.
do you know anybody who doesn't use a microwave because
Tell me
they are
something.
healthy? Like, put in the comments if you know anybody. Because my mom does that. Hopefully, at least one girl.
It kills the food. We don't use a microwave. We
Don't use
the
the
oven.
microwave.
Heat your food up in the oven or
Yeah.
on top of the range.
Yeah. You don't up on the stove or on in the oven.
It's
Because you're
healthy.
ruining the food by putting it in the microwave. Okay, bye guys. Put in the comments if you know anybody that doesn't use a microwave because they're healthy. Okay, bye.